Didn't expect the printing effect to be so good. Just slide gently on the objective can print patterns and text. It rolls on the object or the roller at the bottom of the printer. The ink dries quickly and is not easy to wipe off. And it is not limited by location and material. Can be used on metal, plastic, wood, cloth, and leather. You can also install the fonts you need. Even uneven objects can be printed normally. It is much easier than learning to kick and swing your arms. Underwater propeller that allows you to move quickly in the water. There are two trigger buttons as the grip. Just squeeze the both hands. The rotation of the paddle blades can generate powerful thrust, lead you to swim freely in the water. Whether it's scuba diving or snorkeling, thrusters can all play a role. If you rely on your own two hands, neither speed nor time can achieve the effects that a thruster can assist with. It also comes with a bracket accessory, allowing you to mount your phone or action camera on the bracket. Underwater shooting can be conducted. The launch switch of the thruster is designed to be triggered by both hands. You must press the button on the handle at the same time to gradually accelerate. Releasing the button will cause it to slow down gradually. It is completely impossible to be thrown out. The built-in indicator light will emit a red alert when the battery is low. Return to the shore to change a battery and continue diving completely unaffected. This is a must-have first aid tool for the family. This is a harrowing moment recorded by a family camera. The child suddenly choked while eating fruit. After seeing it, the father quickly took out a long tube from the drawer. He sucked it into the child's mouth and instantly sucked out the foreign object. The child's breathing returned to normal. This long tube-shaped device is a physical device to prevent suffocation. When someone around you encounters a foreign object stuck in the throat, just put it at the mouth and nose. Press the switch and the straw will instantly release a strong suction force. Suck out the foreign object in the throat, and a single person can also operate independently. Equipped with masks of different sizes, it can be used by both the elderly and children. Although the Heimlich maneuver is effective, not everyone can do it. How to deal with this situation if you encounter it around you? The Surface Print Photo. This coffee latte art printer can be printed on different types of food, beer foam, yogurt, coffee, etc. Upload patterns and text via mobile phone. Printing can be completed in about 10 seconds. Meet your customized needs for different scenarios.